I'm Martin Kersh, I'm the Executive Director of the Food Service Packaging Association. Well, I represent the manufacturers of packaging which goes to the food service market. So all the stuff you see, packaging you see in takeaways and food stalls and so on. So clearly we're at the centre of this big plastics issue, and our members are working very, very hard to come up with solutions. And of course what I've seen today at KP is a brilliant example of the fantastic technology and innovation which comes from our members, and here we've seen it today, a huge, fantastic example of the work which can be done to show how we can use plastics constructively, environmentally, to help protect food and enable the public to have what they want. The press are absolutely obsessed about plastics. They are believing that the way forward to deal with climate change is to get rid of plastic packaging. Clearly, that does not make sense. The protection of food is the absolute vital, is the most important. Food waste is a dreadful thing. It's only through packaging can we ensure that we can feed this enormous population as ours, give them absolute safe, fresh, hygienic food. And again, today I have seen examples of a company which is working so well to deliver that. A lot of industries, a lot of businesses have come up with pledges regarding plastic. The big point today is actually being with a business which is delivering it, which actually means it. Words mean nothing unless you translate that into action. And that is what KP have done. They've actually listened very carefully. They're reacting with an enormous amount of invention, but they're moving it on as well. They are contributing very positively to the solutions which we urgently need. It's really difficult. We've got to try and get the public to do the right thing. Doing the right thing means not littering in the first place, putting things in the right bin. I think one of the things KP have done is got a very simple message: recycle me. That makes it very clear that piece of packaging goes in the recycling bin. Now what we have to do is ensure that it is recycled. Got to work with the right people, because what we don't want to do is let the public down by saying they do the right thing and then it doesn't get recycled at the other end. But I'm sure that's one of the things KP are doing, working with the right organisations, working with local authorities and waste collectors to make sure the right thing happens to that material.